you just give it away? You can't expect me to be fine. I don't expect you to care. I know I've said it because, but all of our bridges going down. I wasted my nights. You turn off the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that town when we call it love. But even the sun set in paradise, and I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my chain
Check.
and spent
Yeah,
on
on your screens right now, you can see the show that's happening in Joai. This is MGMP Season 2. And like we promised you guys earlier, we're going to be streaming 3 different locations at the same time. So the Joai show has already started. It will be picked up by the show in Garo Hills. And eventually the Shillong gig will start as well. On stage, on your screen right now, is none other than the very talented Gladdy Barre.
love song. I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone. And I'm at a payphone. Thank you.
check, check. 6, 10, 6, 10, check. Hello, mic test, 1, 2. Check, check. Hello, mic test, 1, 2. 6, 10. Check, 1, 2, 3. Check. Check, check.
Well, I knew that you were trouble and you knew you to be true. Second time I looked your way, I knew that you were guilty. It was written all over your face. And the way you misbehave is criminal. Still, it only makes me want you more and more. You're too bad. Bad for your own damn good. Too bad. Why you never act just like you should. You're too bad. Bad for your own damn good. Too bad. Too bad for your own damn good. Well, don't know right from wrong. You keep lying, cheating, stealing, and the list goes on and on. Evil recognized your way. But don't forget gently to and put you in your place. And the way you misbehave is criminal. But it only makes me want you more and more. You're too bad. Bad for your own damn good. Too bad. Why you never act just like you should. You're too bad. Bad for your own damn good. Too bad. Yeah. Bad for your own damn good. Thank you.
Check, check.
follow me anywhere. But your eyes saying you won't be there. I gotta learn how to love without you. I gotta carry my cross without you. Stuck in the middle and I'm just about to figure it out without you. And I'm done sitting home without you. I'm going out without you. I'm gonna tear the city down without you. I'm going Bonnie and Clyde without you. Now I'm running away, my dear, from myself and the truth I fear. My heart is bleeding, I can't see clear. How I'm wishing that you were here. You said you follow me anywhere, but your eyes say you won't be there. I gotta learn how to love without you. I gotta carry my cross without you. Stuck in the middle and I'm just about to figure it out without you. And I'm done sitting home without you. I'm going out without you. I'm gonna tear the city down without you. I'm going Bonnie and Clyde without you. Thank you. This next song is called One Day. Sometimes I lay under the moon. I thank God I'm breathing. Then I pray, don't take me soon, 'cause I am here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity is around, I know someday it'll all turn around. Because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more wars, and our children will play one day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day. It's not about win or lose, 'cause we all lose what they feel in the souls of the innocent. Blood-drenched pavement, keep on moving through the water, stay raging. In this maze you might lose your way, your way. It might drive you crazy, but don't let it phase you, no way, no way. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity is around, I know someday it'll all turn around. Because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more wars, and our children will play one day, one day, one day. One day, one day, one day. One day is all we stop it. with the violence, down with the hate. One day is all we plead, and proud to be under the same sun. Sing a song of freedom. Why yo, why yo, 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 whoa. Why yo, why yo, 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 whoa. All my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more wars, and our children will play one day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day. All my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say. Thank you. This next song is called Have You Ever Seen the Rain? Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? And I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hard. I know, been that way for all my time. Till forever on it goes, through the circle fast, slow. I know, it can't stop, I wonder. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Oh, I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Yeah, I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Oh, and I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Thank you.
you know, light it up.
Check. On your screens just now, that was Claudie Barret from Joai. Her set in Jaintia Hills is almost over. She has just one song left. Before we start off the gig here in Shillong, we'll take you off to Tura. And the band performing there right now is Snam X Koho Body.
Ain't no Pablo, we don't have to hide from home. If you ever get an issue, just dial on phone. I'ma swing like I'm Spider-Man right on top. Don't nobody get to hurt my baby. If I see you by an inch, I'm already on my cycle more. Why you feeling so stressed? Why you so depressed? I got you, you got me, we don't need the rest. When you feel that sad, when I miss that smile, I'm around, baby, come lean on my chest. My chest is just you, 100%. I sent you my loyalty, making a sense. I ain't feeling bad for not having a bench. I'm just feeling fresh, cause I got you on my lens. And besides you, I'm just feeling like, wow, maybe we should have some kids 3 years from now. I'm on my knees, and I'm taking a vow. I'm not leaving you, I can't, I don't know
But on the
how.
podium,
Yeah.
you guys are covering that. Please cover this. The screen, yeah.
Yeah.
While the live streaming is happening, can you also cover that at the same time?
Not that bad,
Thanks.
all alone. Yeah, just. Yeah. What you gotta do? Feel like, bro? I don't want to, you know.
Ai 장사자의 기도나 아르바 장사자의 고보디나 이우대는 가짜 행소 yan sini lasong kono kol piloma las kepa git kode saksang ni nambat perping ada hai ko ba ya ko tsengar nagata singa my face. What am I to you? Am I just someone to keep listening to all that you say all day, all day? What am I to you? Am I just someone to keep listening to all that you say all day, all day? What am I to you? Am I just someone to keep listening to all that you say all day? Ooh. Ooh. Ano ba ang atay mo? Last one. Cold pillow, cold pillow, cold pillow, cold pillow. Cold pillow, pillow. This is where I cold pillow. Matella, yan singing last song.
Check. That was a glimpse of the show that was happening in Tura. Now we are taking you all the way to Cherrapunji and performing for you on stage right now at the Jiva Resort is Maukordor and Tathyang.
So very big congratulations to all the
Hello, check. Yeah.
Hello, hello, check. Hello, check. Hello, check.
Check. As you all know, Cherrapunji being the wettest place on earth at one point of time, well, getting an internet connection there is not easy. So we'll give them a bit of time. In the meantime, we will shift to the main stage on Shillong. We have a band ready for you guys on stage right now. They should be ready with their set in the next 5 minutes. Can we get lights on stage, please? Good evening, Shillong. Thank you. Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project Season 2 launch. This is day 3. For those of you all have missed out on the first 2 days, let me tell you, we had a blast of a time. And we had a lot of performances right from day 1. We had the likes of Surna Nongkondong, Na Ubnai, we had Colors perform. Yesterday we had an amazing act from Nongston, a band called Thunder's Cave. We had the Links from Joai, and we ended off with a band from Shillong called Soul Groove. And today as well, we have 3 acts lined up for you guys this evening as well. And I will introduce them to you as they come up on stage. But before we move any further, this project is all about giving our talent a platform. That's exactly what the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya had said on the day of the launch. It's an attempt to create those platforms everywhere in the state, going down way back, like the name suggests, to the grassroots level. This year we are trying to do something different in the sense that we will also be including other performing arts. That being said, we will also take these performers, we will be encouraging busking, we will be encouraging street plays, we will be encouraging a lot of flash mobs as well. Based on the success that happened last year, we are pushing this project this year on a bigger scale. So do expect to see performances all around Meghalaya. We will try to reach out to every district possible. That being said, without wasting too much time, today you've seen, today has been kind of a special day because we have connected with performers from different parts of the state. We connected with performers from Garo Hills. We connected with artists from Joai. In fact, one single artist from Joai. We connected with Chera Panji, but then you know how Chera is with the kind of weather conditions over there. Our internet connection, failed on us. Nonetheless, we will try to get back to them again. As we speak, these programs or these shows are happening in Garo Hills and in Chera Panji. And as the show here in Shillong picks up, we will try to connect with them as well. Enough of the formalities. Right now on stage, we have a talented band. These guys are Cherry and the Doopos. And they are a musical collective of 2 acts, singer-songwriter Cherry Mrong and the indie pop band, the Doopos. It consists of Cherry Mrong, Sherfield, Sharing Solas, and Tidy. Cherry Mrong is a singer-songwriter from Tura. She is known for her soulful voice and her sad but beautiful songs. Her songs emanate the themes of desire, confusion, nostalgia, and self-awareness. She won the runners-up in Launchpad 2022, the singing contest that was organized by DAMA Meghalaya. Her credits also include work with the bands like Nokpante, Hoi Hoi, Makbil, and many others. The Dopos were formed in 2022 with the release of the debut single, Sao Bade. This was in April 2023. The band gained attention with over 800,000 views on YouTube. So Shillong, are you ready for an evening of music? Ah, very sad. First day I shouted, first day I started, the crowd wasn't responding. And you guys are lucky today because there's no rain. And thank you, Lord Almighty, for giving us this opportunity today. The weather has given us a chance, has given our kids a chance to perform on the stage. So Shillong, one more time. Are you guys ready for an evening of music? Okay. I've got a microphone and I've got really big speakers with me. So let's do a competition. I'm going to shout and let's see who's louder. Shillong, are you ready for some music? Shillong, are you ready for some music? In your face, Cherry and the Dopos.
Thank you. Hello, Shillong. Hello. How are you? We are Cherry and the Dopos here. And yeah. So this will be the first time performing here in Shillong for me. And it's an honor, privilege. So thank you, MGMP and Chief Minister, and also Meghalaya Tourism for giving us this platform and this opportunity. And thank you all for coming here, and I hope you guys will enjoy. Are you ready? Are you ready? So here we go. My first single called Saksan. Let's go. Is there anyone whom you've been longing for here? That you wanted to be with badly, and it's not there for you. So it's a song about it. So the next song is called Baby Anma, which is also my second original. So if you know the song, just sing along. 아차, you know, bite the sa, tskunga. Sa, chak. Okay. Mạnh cái bên bông mò. 미고래 잡아본다. 오케이. 알았다 말았자. 알았나비. 안층나는 와쪽. Next, ambi jakbruk. Salsa nokpantigo wieno. Those who know Nokpante, I hope many of you will know them. Anyone who knows Nokpante, please raise your hand. Salsa Nokpantigo wiya. Okay, shout out to Nokpante. Ambi jakbruk. Rang pabo mo. Please sing along.
나tak만 하고 보라 생활의 그참 같아라 기분이 자동차구나 두 남자 안 뒤짝나 walang pinanalijuman 생활만 빼놓더라 내가 삶의 사계랑 지금 아외랑 아시마잖아 너를 깨나야 무가라겠나 이곳 가야 마차로 가나 페루할로 놓고 와 아버지고 팔리면서 아깝기만 대라 내라코니 kusino 구에게 겉보소 소리라 아가파가 노노사다 내게 앉아 오아파 말증증 암기놓기 누가가 쓰라 바쁜 우리나 나도 깨랑 크리스마스 완성랑 사귀고 바울레 야란 박소 앙비스 마브랑에 숨braku kuah aku yodongana memang akhir kata Thank you. Okay, now we're doing some changes over here. Now I would like to introduce you guys to Cherfield. Please
Please give a hand to Cheerfield Sangma. Louder, please. Sawana song ni ka sa tangya na song laksa tongwang one yagit ko didikit kat kabajok. If any one of you is here with someone special, just dedicate a song to that someone. Okay, this will be our last song. Hai chena Jangina Hai chena Jangina Let's go! Lamarang dumela, paano barang andala, kinabi ng ujina. Sa daging kaake, ng katong makin dugi, paltay, dani pala. Saksana magpranggat ko, darang ng nabong jacket ko, at singre ay nagkabang, hachena. Sarap bajuk kumaka, bawarang tamping uba, di makang nang magsungaw na. Kadung-andung putaw ba, katarang salono ba, pamnabi ng unbudong nga. Nagawat ka lahaw, yung mo ang budaw ibo, janggidong kuwa, hachena. Thank you, Shillong. Thank you, MGMP. Thank you, Meghalaya Tourism. Thank you, Chief Minister of Meghalaya, for giving us this opportunity. Shout out to you all over there. And shout out to Ace, who's on bass, and Tidy, who's on guitar, and Chairfield on keys, and Changrong on drums, and Cherimrong on vocals. Thank you all.
Check. Ladies and gentlemen, Cherry and the Dope was all the way from Garo Hills. A round of applause, please. Next on stage, all the way from the Jayantia Hills, Joai. will be a band called Seas Euphony.
check, 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 1, 2, check, 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 1, 2, check. Check, 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 1, 2, check, check. Check. All you people out there, this is Swiss Symphony, all the way from Hawaii. Down and out and on my knees. Been working so hard to feel my needs. 'Cause I've been spent by hand and feet. And I'm burning cash like gasoline. Back to the grind. All I wanted to say is I've been walking this lane for too long. And all I wanted to say, another time has come. Don't miss me when I'm gone. Got no shelters in the driving rain. Got no place to ease my pain. Yeah. Got an empty bottle with an empty glass. Can somebody please just feeling good? Once again, we are Sea Symphony, all the way from Joai. So we will be performing 4 more songs for you guys in this pleasant evening. So are you ready to feel the energy of rock and roll? We are here to give you some. So here's a song for you! Come on now, let's do the hip hop. Are you ready? Come on. Hey! Brothers and sisters, listen to me say, the world's on fire, but not the end of days. It's not religion, I'm not a rude child. Don't curse my soul, break my heart, lead me to the wild. Judge and jury, in suits and power tie, stone cold and living out their life. We don't play in dead, that's all in the head. Now's the time to see we're resurrected. No one can bring us down or push us underground. We're back where we should be. We're resurrected. Yeah. Got to remember to look them in the eye. And watch them smile crack as they bleed the system dry. Down the power, we're tilting all the time. I know that you know that they know that we know. Crossing fingers that I fall on my face. But they're still jumping in my grave. We don't play in dead, that's all in the head. Now's the time to see. Nothing can bring us down or push us underground. We're back where we should be. We're resurrected. We are resurrected. Resurrected, resurrected, resurrected. We are resurrected. We're not playing dead. That's all in the head. Now's the time to see we're resurrected. No one can bring us down or push us underground. We're back where we should be. Resurrected. Thank you. Well, I hope you enjoy the music and the other talented band who played before us as well. After us, we'll have one more best band in our state, and not only in our state, but beyond. But, listen. It's time for the Seas Euphony to take you down, 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 back to the classical rock. So are you ready? 'Cause we are. I wanna see all your hands up in the air. Come on! Come on, all you beautiful people! Begin the day with a friendly voice, a companion unobtrusive. Plays that song, that soul illusion, and the magic music makes your morning know. Come on! Up on your way, hit the open road. There is magic at your fingers. For the spirits ever linger on the magic contract of your happy solitude. Invincible airways, crackle with light. Bright antenna, bristle with the energy. Emotional feedback on a timeless wavelength. Bearing a gift beyond price, almost free. All this machinery's making modern music, still being open-hearted. Not so cold-hearted, but it's really just a question of your honesty. Yeah, honesty. One likes to believe in the freedom of music. Glittering prices and endless compromises shatter the illusion of integrity. Yeah. Invincible Invincible airways, crackle with light. Bright antennas, bristle with the energy. Emotional feedback on a timeless wavelength. Bearing a gift beyond price, almost free. All right, are you ready? All the words of the prophets were written on the studio walls. 'Cause at home, and it goes with the sound of salesman. A salesman.
so much.
Oh, check 1, 2. How you feeling, man? Guys, get a yeah! Can I get a hell yeah? Can I get long live rock and roll? You guys are amazing. I can't tell you guys how grateful we are that all of you are here tonight. To be able to get together like this and celebrate music, you know? Celebrate rock and roll with us. You guys should know that we can't do this without you. It's because of you that we can play music as a living, as the greatest gift in the world. So thank you for being here. And last but not the least, I would like to thank the MGMP for organizing such an event and to all organizers who are part in this project. Thank you so much, MGMP, for having us. And that all the artists in Meghalaya, the musicians, get to perform in this great platform. And especially to the one who started their journey in music. So before we go with this next one, I mean, yeah, let's keep on supporting local artists by keeping this dream alive. Because you and us right now is California dreaming. Come on, let's go, boys.
cell phones up in here. Come on now. Come on. Put your lights on. Come on, everyone. Yeah, that's beautiful. Come on. Now, this last song. I want all you guys to sing along with me. I know you know the song. I know you know the words as well. So are you ready? Are you ready to sing this song with me? Come on. Let's do it. Up on your hands on the air. Come on. Take me down to the paradise city where the grass is green and the girls are pretty. Take me home, yeah, yeah. Take me down to the paradise city where the grass is green and the girls are pretty. Take me home, yeah. Just enough to live and another freedom. Hard case that's out to pay them. Your charity case, so buy me something to eat. I'll pay you at another time. Take it to the end of the line. Come on. Rag bridges also they say you gotta keep pushing for the passion and fame. You know it's all a gamble when it's just a game. It's really like criminal crime. Everybody's doing the time. Drag me down to the paradise city where the grass is green and the girls are pretty. Oh, won't you please take me home, yeah, yeah. Drag me down to the paradise city where the grass is green and the girls are pretty. Oh, won't you please take me home? Trapped in a chair on the city gas chamber. I'm here again, can't remember. The sitting Johnny Rose's house is just a breathe and have another cigarette, but I can see. Tell me who you cannot believe. Train me down where the grass is green. Please take me home. Now your turn, come on. Take me down where the grass is green. Oh, won't you please take me home? Yeah. Mr. Deadline, everyone, come on. So far away. So far away. So far away. So far away. Captain America's in trouble apart now. Coach is with a broken heart. He said, show me around, take me back from the start. I must have been losing my mind. Are you blind? I've seen it all a million times. Drag me down to the paradise city where the grass is green and the girls are pretty. Take me home. Now your turn, come on. The paradise city where the grass is green and the girls are pretty. Oh, won't you please take me home? Louder, come on. Drag me down. Grass is green. Home. One more time. Drag me down to the paradise city where the grass is green and the girls are pretty. Oh, won't baby.
Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy the evening.
So Shillong, what did you think of that? Did you guys like what these guys did on stage just now? Please show some love for Sis Ebony. A loud scream, Shillong, one more time. All the way from July for these guys. Come on, Shillong, give it up for these guys. They will be performing again later this evening, most probably at Cloud9. I'm not sure, but I think that's where they'll be if you want to catch them again. We still have one more act for this evening, but it all depends on you guys, if you guys are up for it. Do you guys want some more music? It's very quiet, it's very quiet. I have to lower my voice. Do you guys want some more music? Only tangki bahang ni te, kitig ba siya tayo jayo. Over there, guys, you enjoying the evening? You guys want some more music? Okay, this side. Can I see guys this side? You're very quiet. Do you want some more music? Come on, Shillong, do you want some more music? All right, all right. We'll be right back. We've got one last act for you guys this evening. Stay tuned, we'll be back. Before I present this last act for this evening, I would like to thank the departments that are involved with bringing this event or series of events into life. The first department I would send my gratitude and my utmost thanks to goes to the Department of Tourism for envisioning a project like this, for understanding the passion that our kids have, for realizing the talent that is there in our state. Also, I would like to, yes, on that note, a heartful and a warm welcome to Paul Lingdor, who's here with us this evening. He's graced our stage this evening. Welcome, sir. Thank you so much for being here. On that note, also, Paul himself is a singer-songwriter, has written a lot of beautiful songs. In fact, one of his songs was being performed on the first day by an 11-year-old girl. I'm so sorry. Too many things on my mind. I'm messing up names. Paul is there. Thank you so much, sir. We have leaders like Paul who sees the talent that we have in our kids and who has given us an opportunity, to provide these kind of platforms. For those of you all who don't know, this is the launch of the Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project, which started last year, and based on its success, we have pushed it forward again this year on a slightly bigger scale, of course. And just so that you know, we will be covering the entire state. We will be going to every nook and corner wherever possible, and we are targeting at least 3,000 shows this year, and we will try to cover at least 2,000 artists. That being said, you need to understand the term grassroots being used here, and the term is precisely the reason why we have very, very young artists performing as well. On day one, like I told you, we had a little girl named Arlene, who's just 11 years old. We will be focusing on young talent. I'd like to thank also Meghalayan Age Limited for supporting this. Without their undying support and without their, their backup, this would not be possible. They've been with us every step of the way, right from the planning to the execution. And finally, of course, a big thank you to the government of Meghalaya for making this possible. We wouldn't be able to do this, amidst traffic in Police Bazaar had it not been for our leaders who believe in us. Now, that being said, for the last act of this evening, just to pump you guys a little bit, we have on stage an alternative rock band from Shillong, Meghalaya, formed in the year of 2018. The band has been making waves ever since their inception. The style of music that the band designed is a representation of musical genres, with rock being at the core of their sound. Heavy drive, radical riffs, and wizard synth undertones make for the band's loud and reverberant sound. These guys are from our hometown, and these guys are no strangers. They will rock the stage for you guys this night. But before that, I would like to thank each and every one of you for being here with us this evening. It's your love, your support, you standing there and showing love is what makes all of this possible. So a round of applause for yourselves, please, first. Come on, Shillong, a round of applause for yourselves. You guys want me to scream? Come on, Shillong, let me hear you scream! More like it, more like it. On stage right now, Rum and Monkeys!
And now, this is the moment you've all been waiting for. It's time! Fighting out of Shillong City, they are the reigning, defending heavyweight champions of the world, the one, the only, the Tasteless King, Rob and Monkey!
It's smoking mirrors with you. Every time that you walk in the room, everybody's got their eyes on you. Take my hand and look at me. Ooh, I will be your sanity. Yeah, just a little bit of taste in the air. For you, it was all play pretend. When that night is burnt and you find yourself in a stranger's bed, you're feeling so alone, yet you leave your mask behind that door and you leave your past laying on that floor. But who is it for? Who is it for? Your sensitive heart. Ooh, who is it for? I said, who is it for? Right from the start. Yeah, you make it look so easy. You show up just to please me. But who is it for? I said, who is it for? I'm so caught in this game of yours. You, every time that I see you, my face drops and it hurts. This obsession that can't be satisfied. Yes, it's so obvious from the look in your eyes that you pretend and you pretend over and over again. But when the night is burnt and you find yourself in a stranger's bed, you're feeling so alone, yet you leave your mask behind that door and you leave your past laying on that floor. But who is it for? Who is it for? Your sensitive heart. Ooh, who is it for? I said, who is it for? Right from the start. Yeah, you make it look so easy. You show up just to please me. But who is it for? I said, who is it for? Yeah, yeah. Lots of fishes in the pool, but I'd rather swim with you. Got a happy upper hand, but she played me like a fool, yeah, yeah. Lots of fishes in the pool, but I'd rather swim with you. Got a happy upper hand, but she played me like a
Shalom, cũng như phi long. Hey, first time nga kren de khasif siala Fumia ala ka energy la. Cũng như phi long. I'm super duper happy because there's like so many people around. This probably will be a success. We hope that it's going to be a success. This is the season 2 of Meghalaya Grassroots. Yeah, we just hope that it's going to be a success. And we came here to party, and we hope that you guys came to party with us. So we're going to party. So Tidy, whenever you're ready, my bro. I'm already born. I'm pretty sure I've seen this one before. I've got a long drive, I'll take my eyes so I don't fall asleep again. Singing up and down, then nodding. Heads are moving up and down. You got it. Everybody stand in line, one by one. Take a hit, join the club. We'll go try to take my fight. Or am I on the outside? I've got a long drive, I'll take my eyes so I don't fall asleep again. Singing out, up and down, then nodding. Heads are moving up and down. You got it. Everybody stand in line, one by one. Take a hit, join the club. If you gotta take my fight. Or am I on the outside? Alright, I am not a rapper, but I'm gonna try this. I'm not a rapper. I am a megaton, don't you feel it like a boss? Screaming like a beast underneath, they've been singing on. Video is wild, the beat is so fast. Now the video is coming. I am Megatron, captain of the north. And then we got get together, started when it starts. See to your point, feel efficiency. On fields, they running. Up and down, then nodding. Heads are moving up and down. You got it. Everybody up and down, then nodding. in the summer heat. You can pay the cover charge, I'm in the street. Little do they know that they can't touch me. I'm vibing, vibing. I'm on the outside in the summer heat. You can pay the cover charge, I'm in the street. Little do they know that they can't touch me. I'm vibing, vibing. Let's go! Ladies and gentlemen, Daniel on guitar. Give it up for Lele on the bass. Give it up for Vivian on the drums. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah. You guys like hip hop? How many of you guys like hip hop? No one likes hip hop or what? Yeah? You guys like hip hop? How many of you guys, okay, wait. How many of you guys know Kendrick Lamar? Kendrick Lamar, let's go. Raise your hands up if you know Kendrick Lamar. I'm gonna try some Kendrick Lamar right now. Somebody play for me. Even a day for me. Well, yeah. Hey, I remember sir sandwiches and crime allowances. But this a nigga with some data figures now counting this. Papa showing my accounting niggas now counting this. You say with my roommate tastes like Kool-Aid for the analyst. Girl, I can buy you what the world like a taste up. You that pussy good, won't you think you don't like taste right? I get way too candy, won't you let me do the extra? Pull up on your block, you break it down and play it different. AM to the PM to the AM funk. Piss out triple DM, you just gotta hate it funk. If I quit your PM, I still rap Mercedes funk. If I quit the season, I still be the greatest funk. My left stroke just went viral. Right stroke, pull a baby in the spiral. Soprano see we like to keep it on the high door. There's levels to it, you and I know. Bitch, be on both. Sit down. Bitch, be on both. Sit down. Bitch, be on both. Sit down, little bitch, be on both. Sit down. Bitch, be on both. Sit down. Bitch, be on both. Sit down, little bitch, be on both. Sit down. Be on both. Sit down. Who that nigga thinking that he fighting on me? Get the fuck off my stage, I'm the man. Get the fuck off my dick, getting wet. I make a play, fucking up your whole life. Cause I'm so fucking sick and tired of the Photoshop. Show me something natural like Caparone with your crotch. Show me something natural like that with the fresh spot. Still up on your block, we break it down and go your mama stop. Hey, this you way too crazy, hey. I'm blue from AC, hey. Obama just space me, hey. I don't fabricate it, hey. Mostly I'll be faking, hey. I see what it's about it, hey. She elaborated, hey. She elaborated, hey. This that grateful part that ain't beyond that hands off. Watch my soul speak, you let the man talk. If I kill a brother, it won't be the alcohol. I'm the realest G, after all, bitch, be on both. Sit down. you guys like rap songs or what? You guys like rap songs? That was the only rap song I had, man. I had to take it out that. Oi bro. 69? Last you only 69. Nrum kunda ya? 69, bro. Em lajan wan ronen kiting mah. Lajan wan stay kiting road. Alright, let's keep the fun going, man. Let's keep the fun going. Oh, wait. Tidy, before we do this, let me introduce the band. Please give it up for my guy, Lele on the bass. Hey, bang, hani nga try don at least. Kanungut lah ni, try shihajar tam tengah try don ni. I know you guys can make some more noise. Make some more noise for Lele. Sorry, my bad. Give it up. Give it up for my man, Danny Boy on guitar. Vivian, this is the one time that I'm gonna let you play a small, like a tiny drum solo, okay? Give it up for my man Vivian on the drums. Talking dia, ya, no, shakmat, sakaway kajing rai. Tidy, let's go. Alright, well, my guy, we have so if you look at our band, this is like the four of us, but there's an unsung hero behind us, and his name is Tidy. Give it up for Tidy as well on the tracks. Give it up for him, yeah. Yeah, so without him, yeah, we're probably nothing. So we're just waiting on you, Tights. I just wanna stay in the sun where I find I know it's hard sometimes. Pieces of peace in the sun's peace of mind. I know it's hard sometimes. Yeah, think about the end just way too much. But it's fun to fantasize. All my enemies wouldn't wish who I was. But it's fun to fantasize. Oh, I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. I'm taking my time on my ride. I got it for you, that you didn't say. We have a list of people that we will take. I'm bullet for them, I'm bullet for you. I'm bullet for everybody in this room. But they don't seem to see many bullets coming through. See many bullets coming through. Metaphorically, I'm the man. But literally, I don't know what I do. I live for you, and it's harder to do. Even harder to say, when you know what's up to. Even harder to write, when you know that's a net. People back home, which are talking to you, but then you ignore them still. All these questions, they're for real. Like, who would you live for? Who would you die for? Would you ever kill? I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. I'm taking my time on my ride. Alright. I've been thinking too much. 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 Help me. Cause I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Oh, I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. I'm falling, so I'm taking my time. I'm taking my time on my ride. I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Cause I've been thinking too much. Alright, Daniel, take us there. Take us there. Alright, wait up, wait up. Let's do that one more time, one more time, one more time. Let's do. I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. I'm falling, so I'm taking my time. I'm taking my time on my ride. I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. I'm falling, so I'm taking my time. I'm taking my time on my ride. Taking my time on my ride. Yeah. How you guys feeling tonight? I'm pretty sure there's a lot of like tourists out here, maybe. How many of you guys are not from here? How many of you guys are not from Shillong? Yeah, big ups, big ups. You guys came at like the right possible time, I guess. Let's keep that fun going, man. Let's keep that fun going. Tidy, again, whenever you're ready, my friend. I wish I found some better sounds no one's ever heard. I wish I had a better voice and saying some better words. I wish I found some chords in an order that is new. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sing. I was hoping I get over all my fears and trick, but now I'm insecure and I care what people mind. It's blurry face and I care what you think. What's my name? My name's blurry face and I care what you think. Alright, let's go! Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when our mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when our mama sang us to sleep. was young. How come I'm never able to identify where it's coming from? I'd make a candle out of it if I ever found it. Try to sell it, never sell out of it. I'll probably only sell one. If it's to my brother, cause we had the same nose, same clothes, homegrown and stones, from the people used to roam. But it would remind us of when nothing really mattered. Out of student loans and three songs, we all would take the ladder. Blurry face and I care what you think. What's my name? My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when our mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when our mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. We used to play pretend, give each other different names. We would build a rocket ship and then we fly it far away. Used to dream of outer space, but now they're laughing at our face, saying wake up, you need to make money. Truck. We used to play pretend, give each other different names. We would build a rocket ship and then we fly it far away. Used to dream of outer space, but now they're laughing at our face, saying wake up, you need to make money. Truck. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when our mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when our mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. We used to play pretend Monday. We used to play pretend, wake up, you need your money. We used to play pretend Monday. We used to play pretend, wake up, you need your money. We used to play pretend, give each other different names. We would build a rocket ship and then we fly far away. Used to dream of outer space, but now they're laughing at our face, saying wake up, you need to make money. Drop. Ê, cũng nói là từ taxi là dạ, là từ nè. Phân đích là. Alright, I want you guys to sing along with me for this one. I hope you guys listen to Coldplay. I hope you guys listen to Coldplay. I used to rule the world, seas would rise when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone, sweep the streets I used to own. I used to advertise you guys know this next song, sing it with me. Oh. When I ruled the world. Take us down one more time. We're gonna do that part one more time. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? All right, Vivian, let's do this. 1, 2, 1. When I ruled the world, never an honest world, but that was when I ruled the world. Hey, we're gonna do an original song for you guys. Is that fine? Oh, blind Hana, Monota. Bado! How are you, Bado? This song is about a boy and a girl. Listen carefully, okay? It's about a boy and a girl. And the boy likes the girl. But the girl doesn't like the boy back. See, it's not my story, okay? It's not my story. Guess from these guys, whose story is it? Is it Daniel's story? Is it Lily's story? No, I guess his girl's somewhere in the back. Alright, I'd like to welcome my dear friend Tidy on guitar. So this song is called Back Again. And it's gonna be we just have like 2 more songs left. So thank you guys for being amazing. Thank you guys thank you Meghalaya Grassroots Project for having this right in front of the people. No fucking charge, no tickets, no nothing. This is how music should be, you know what I mean? But like also not because we need to survive. But yeah, thank you for this, man. Thank you for this. This one is called Back Again. girl with the blue eyes. She looked at me and she smiled. She said it's been quite a while since I've seen you here. She pulled me my usual. Why you so beautiful? Oh, that's what I'm thinking. No, I'm thinking to myself. Alright, boys, pick it up. You might think that I drink too much, but I'm here to see your face. But none of that matters now, 'cause I know you're not gonna wait. But here I am, I'm back again. Here I am, oh, oh, back again for you. Oh, yeah, yeah, back again for you. Oh, yeah, yeah, I'm back again for you. Oh, yeah, yeah, I'm back again for you. I don't know why I keep on coming back for you. Wish we could be reality, but maybe I'm just a fool. My mind's convinced that you won't feel the same way, but then I still come here every day now. You might think that I drink too much, but I'm here to see your face. But none of that matters now, 'cause I know you're not gonna wait. But here I am, I'm back again. Here I am, oh, oh, back again for you. Oh, yeah, yeah, back again for you. Oh, yeah, yeah, I'm back again for you. Oh, yeah, yeah, I'm back again for you. Oh, yeah, yeah, I'm back again. Let's go! It goes something like this. Now it's down, I told you everything is on my mind. Now that I'm drowned in the liquor, she'll never be mine. You might think that I drink too much, but I'm here to see your face. But none of that matters now, 'cause I know you're not gonna wait. But here I am, I'm back again. Here I am, oh, oh, back again. Let's go. Alright, I want you guys to sing with me. Can you guys sing with me? Yeah? I can't hear you guys. Can you guys sing with me? Alright, here we go. It goes like this. Ooh, oh, yeah, yeah. I'm back again for you. Sing with me. Whoa, yeah, yeah. I'm back again for you. Ooh, oh, yeah, yeah. I'm back again for you. Ooh, oh, yeah, yeah. Alright, boys, let's do it together now. Ooh, oh, yeah, yeah. I'm back again. We've got one last song for you guys. Thank you guys for being amazing. We hope to, perform again maybe someday. Shout out to Vivian's mom. She's somewhere in the crowd. I can see her right now. Yeah, our drummer's mom is somewhere in the crowd. That's what you call support. Give it up for our drummer's mom. Yeah. This is our last song for the night. Thank you again for being amazing. Yeah, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this straight away. We're gonna do it straight away. Job, whoa, and for you, I'd write all the songs, so listen. They say that I will be older. What if I'm blind? What if I'm blind? What if I'm cut my hair, whoa, and for you, I'd write all the songs, so listen. They say the beauty in me, I will be older. What if I'm blind? What if I'm blind? I heard that love is just a game, but I don't mind, I'll play it. Insecurity's blind to frame, but I'll be coming and coming and coming back again for you. And I know that you want me to, so cause for you, I'd dive the waters of the oceans for you. I'd cut my hair. Let's light this place up. Take out your phones and let's light this place up, shall we? Yeah. Let's light this place up. Take up your phone so that MGMP can take a good picture of this. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go. Take out your flashlights. Let's light this place up. Let's kill these lights for a bit. Kill these lights for a bit. Let's kill the stage lights for a bit and let BB light this place up on its own. Cause for you, and for you. I'd write all the songs, so listen. They say the beauty's in the eye of the beholder. I'm not done until I come to the people right now. This is for all the artists. This is for all the people of Shillong, so that you know that there are people here who can actually perform. Let's go, you guys ready? Tidy, whenever you're ready. 1, 2, 3, 1. Let's do that again. 2, 3. So what if I'm blind? What if I'm blind? Raise your hands up. What if I'm blind? What if I'm blind? Keep it going, boys. Keep it going. Keep it going. Let's go. What if I'm blind? What if I'm blind? Yeah, yeah. Give it up for Vivian on the drums. What if I'm blind? Blind. 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 Let's go. Yo! Yo! It took me a long while to come back from there, man. I'm tired now. Holy shit. Alright, give it up for the band Ramen Monkeys. Thank you guys so much. Give it up for Meghalaya Grassroots Project. Hey, come on, man. Give it up for Meghalaya Grassroots Project. Let's go! Pinila bits of kti eru, just for you guys. I'm filthy because of you guys. But I'm going to take a picture with you guys. Is that okay? Can I take a picture with you guys? Yeah? All right, cool. Let's do this, man. Where's Jong? Come, man. Tidy, come up.
Can you flash your torches, please? Get your flashlights out. It'll look nice. It'll look nice if you've got your flashlights out. Can we get some lights on the crowd as well, please? Do we have floodlights there? We don't. All right, Shillong, do you guys have a good time tonight? All right, well, all good things come to an end. Yeah, we've had an amazing time this evening. I promise you, MGMP is just started, so we will be having many, many more events. Yeah, and yeah, so well, yeah, Adam is going to be giving some background music while I end this off. We will be hitting a lot of cafes, a lot of clubs, a lot of locations in Meghalaya. We will come to your neighborhood, we will come to your locality, we will even have to come to your houses if we want to. Are you with me on that, Shillong? All right then, this one's for you guys. I need to hear you guys scream one last time. Come on, Shillong, do it for all the musicians who performed here this evening. Do it
And for the ones who did it the last 2 days, and for the ones that are going to be performing for the rest of this year. Come on, Geelong, give me a good scream. Let me hear you scream! MGMP Season 2 launch finally comes to an end. This is day 2. Good night. Thank you. God bless.
You're on the phone with your girlfriend, she's upset. She's going off about something that she said. She's living, get your story. I do. 'Cause I'm in the room, it's a typical Tuesday night. I'm listening to the kind of music she doesn't like. And she'll never know your story like I do. 'Cause she wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She's chilling, captain, and I'm on the bleachers, dreaming about the day when you wake up and find that what you're looking for has been here the whole time. If you could see that I'm the one who understands you, been here all along. So what can't you see? You belong with me. Everybody waiting at the back door all the time. How could you not know that you belong with me? You belong. Baby, we was making straight A's, but we were stuck in dumb days. It don't take much to memorize your lies. Oh, I've been feeling hypnotized. And there's that next man come to town. He's gonna spin your head around. He says he's in session, 2 and 2 makes 5. Oh, baby, baby, now I'm alive. Oh, wow, I am alive. And if you wanna be the teacher's man, baby, you better forget it. Rock got no reason, rock got no rhyme. You better get me to school on time. And if you wanna be the teacher's man, baby, you better forget it. Rock got no reason, rock got no rhyme. You better get me to school on time. Oh, wow. I was on and on the road. Got good grades and got good soul. You know I'm gonna speak my mind. Oh, I've been there too many times. And now that next man come to town, he's gonna spin your head around. He says he's in session, 2 and 2 makes 5. Oh, baby, baby, now I'm alive. Oh, wow, I am alive. And if you wanna be the teacher's man, baby, you just better forget it. Rock got no reason, rock got no rhyme. You better get me to school on time. If you wanna be the teacher's man, baby, you just better forget it. Rock got no reason, rock got no rhyme. You better get me to school on time. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. She'll be rocking with Daniel and Don. Let's go. One more time, boys. And if you wanna be the teacher's head, baby, you just better forget it. I got no reason, I got no rhyme. You better get me to school on time. If you wanna be the teacher's head, baby, you just better forget it. I got no reason, I got no rhyme. You better get me to school on time. Oh, wow! Thank you guys so much once again. Thank you. Cheers. Thank you. Good night. Good night. Good night.